In front of me is HMD XR21 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration setting. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to select sound and vibration. Then scroll down again to tap on vibration and haptics and use this switcher to switch them on or off. Then, if you decided to enable this feature, you can tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. Then go back, scroll all the way down and click on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!